Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Thulisile Kolweni, and if you're new here, well, welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment down below. And if you my day one, yes, know what it is, welcome back, and thank you for clicking to like this video. In today's video, I actually forgot to do this part, so I'm doing it a day after. So this is probably the third day, and this is me coming from work, and then I realize when I'm editing, sorry, that I did not do the intro right, and I also didn't close this video. So today's video I am doing a day in my life video, and if you want to see what I got up to, please keep watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share this video if you care, and download it if you don't have Wi-Fi at home, and watch it later. So yeah, I will leave you guys here, and please continue watching the video. Good morning guys. So today is Monday, and I'm thinking of waking up and just finish well, just wake up, make the bed. When I'm done making the bed, make breakfast, shower, and I also want to go to the police station and to the post office. I need to certify some documents, and to the post office I am actually applying for a new job, so I need to send those away. And yeah, so this is probably gonna be a day in my life, a vlog. So yeah, this is gonna be a day in my life, a vlog. So I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning as well, and when I'm done I'm gonna leave. So yeah, come with me on spend the day with me as I vlog and all that stuff. So yeah. Oh guys, I was eating. I am so sorry. I actually forgot to film the whole thing, but I had bread, dip in egg, and that's about it. And I had Fanta, um, Fanta pine, I believe. And yeah, that's what I had. and now I'm gonna do laundry. And sorry, now I'm gonna do dishes clean because it's a mess, and I will then see you guys. And I'm gonna shower. Tomorrow, or if the rain stops, and then I'll go. Yeah. And this is just my 90% water with Afro Botanics Living Conditioner, just hydrating my hair, and I am using this today because remember I received a packaging from Nivea and Lungile Toiletries, so I'm using one of the body lotions. I have two more left, and I have two more left. So I am now using the cherry blossom one. Uh, it has jojoba oil on it. Like I feel like it's stopping to rain now, and I have a bit of a view here. So it's I think just after 10 to 6. So I'm gonna go to the police station. I have all the documents right here, and I have my mask on. So I'm gonna quickly run to the police station. It's no longer raining, which is cool. And I will then I won't be going to the post office anymore because it's late. Obviously they're closed. So yeah, I will do that tomorrow. I need to scan a few documents as well and send them either today or tomorrow via an email. And yeah, so let's get going. And I also want to show you guys outside. It's no longer raining, and there's a bit of a sun out. So yeah. Hey, good afternoon, guys, and this is the next day. So I am just gonna shower. As you can see, I am crusty as ever. I am gonna shower now, and once I'm done showering, I am gonna go to post office. And like I said yesterday, there are things that I need to post, like applications. And I was thinking I should also go to Vara to drop off some application as well, but I'm not sure. I might, because I still have time on that one. It expires, I think, around the first week of next month, so I still have time. I can go next week and do that. So yeah, let me go shower and I will see you guys probably when I'm at the post office. Guys, that's it. I do apologize that I actually forgot to, not that I forgot, I felt like it was crowded and a lot of people were just like staring at me, especially Ekasi. I'm not really comfortable like vlogging Ekasi. People be like, why is she filming us? So I went to post office and I posted things, and that's the receipts of the stuff that I did. So yeah, I just didn't feel comfortable in filming at post office or showing you guys there, so that's why I didn't film that part. I do apologize for that. I hope you guys can forgive me, and yeah, that is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. I will definitely see you in my next video, which is probably gonna be a makeup video. If not, it's gonna be a hair video, but I feel like it's gonna be a makeup video. I know I haven't done a lot of hair videos, and I will get into that hopefully soon. But I feel like my next one that I've already planned out is gonna be a makeup video, so I look up for that. I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Have a lovely evening.